Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You want to begin immediately. First, confirm whether your laptop accepts HDMI input. Most do not, so you likely need a USB HDMI capture device. Once you have the capture device, plug its HDMI input to the Xbox One HDMI OUT and the device to your laptop USB port. Make sure the capture device drivers or the Xbox app are installed. This avoids conflicts. Also set the Xbox to a standard resolution, like 1080p, to reduce scaling issues. Once done with physical connections, open your capture software or the Xbox app and choose the capture device as the video input. You need to set the Xbox display options to match the capture device, usually 1080p at 60 Hz, because mismatched settings cause black screens or stutter. Make sure HDR is off if you see washed-out colors. Also make sure your laptop's USB ports aren't in power-saving mode. This guarantees stable frame rates and consistent audio-video sync. You're almost done. Confirm audio is routed through the capture device or set the Xbox app to stream game audio to your laptop. Then launch a game to test latency and overall quality. If input lag appears, reduce resolution or use a wired Ethernet connection for the Xbox. If you get no signal, try reseating HDMI and USB cables, switching HDMI cables or ports, and rebooting the Xbox, capture device, and laptop. One quick tip: a firmware update for the capture device often fixes signal issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.